Guess he got the truck fixed. Let's see what he has to say. Just another day in car wife life over here. Hi. What is that?
It's Miata.
It's a Miata. And where did it come from?
Japan.
Japan, okay. And what are you gonna do with it?
Fix it, like all of them.
Wait, all of them?
Well, all the ones I bring home.
Glad to see you got the truck running and fixed.
Yeah. 2 in the morning, it's fine.
Yeah, 2 in the morning. No big deal. I was filming him work on it and it got a little late for the car wife. I had to go. This is the red Miata that came back on the trailer from our property near the lake. He had rebuilt the engine, which is in the bed of the truck. He still has to do a little bit more to it, and then he's going to be putting it back in the Miata and selling it. Just another day.
You know what we call days like today?
What?
Monday.
Today's Monday?
Today's Monday.
Why?
Because it's Monday, because yesterday was Sunday. That's why.
Oh, I was...
It's another Monday.
Oh.
Playing hooky, playing with Miatas.
Okay, he says, hopefully this works. He's gonna push it off the trailer.
I have done it. What did I get? I got caught on this. Oh, this is great. I should have let it roll. Why didn't I do that?
I don't know. You just gotta roll with it.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Okay.
Alright, so now I just gotta get this over there.
He's steering this by hand. What, was the wood in the way?
It usually is. Oh, we're getting a lot of speed.
Oh God. I'm just glad this car has brakes. And the door's open, you know that, right? Garage door, car door. Okay.
I did roll the window up. I don't want to get the inside wet. And I gotta clean the engine bay with no engine in it.
Let's see what it looks like without an engine.
See, an
Yeah.
engine is gone.
The engine is in the back of Daddy's truck.
Engine's missing.
It's right there, Griffin. It's in the back of the truck. I'm gonna do a little cleanup. It's gonna wreck the driveway, but then I'll clean the driveway. And you only got one shot at doing this with the engine out.
What is it, Ellie? Do you want to see? Don't stand downstream. Yeah, it's...
There's stuff you don't want. I don't want them breathing this in.
In other words, Griffin, you might want to step back.
He doesn't know what those words mean.
Yeah, that's true. When you say step back, he goes closer.
I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, marinate. It is pretty clean regardless, so it'll look good when it's all done.
It didn't come with anything in it from Eldon, like any snakes or...
I didn't see any snakes.
No
I left the
mice,
snakes back
obviously.
there, hopefully.
That's good. He was telling me about... What car was that?
Oh, the wagon down there?
The wagon down there. Here's our Stella. Okay, well, he's gonna wash it and get it in the garage with Griffin. Ellie wants to go inside, so we're gonna head inside. I'm gonna help push the Miata.
Oh, I'm barely doing anything, Griffin. Good
Yeah,
job.
Griffin's doing all the work.
Yeah, we're gonna cut it a little bit harder.
Whoa, you finished?
All right, go, push. Come on, Griffin. Don't make me help you. Well, one of the reasons I like the Miata so much.
Because they can fit?
Because they're little and I can do this with Griffin. I probably should air up that flat tire. It'll be a lot easier, but we'll.
Airing up the flat tire. Yeah, Griffin pointed that out, didn't he?
Yeah.
Of course he did.
All right, kiddo. We got one last. Here you go.
Heave ho. Griffin's doing a good job. It's hard work helping Dad. Sweet. Good job, Griffin.
The Miata has arrived at the Miata hospital. Ain't got no engine in it.
We got no engine in it.
Griffin, where's the engine?
Where's it? The engine is missing.
Yeah, it's in the back of Daddy's truck. We're gonna unload that now.
There's no engine.
This being back from Eldon is, instead of working on it like 3 hours a month, I can work on it until it's done and actually get this thing done.
Yes.
And then I own one less car because this thing will get sold.
Yep.
Makes life so much better.
Oh.
Take these out. Bougie.
No pun intended for Ellie. Who saw when I did a video about how he gets his engine set up before.
Where did you get that white?
And this is a much better way. This reminds me of one of those lifts that we would use at the hospital. Yeah. The way that it opens and closes at the bottom to get wider and narrower, and how it can hold. How much weight can this cherry picker hold?
It says 2 tons at this setting, but that's just a suggestion. And this can go over by the Miata.
Awesome.
There we are. The engine and the car.
Is the engine?
That's right. What cars are going in?
It goes in this one.
You're right, Griffin. You want to help Daddy put it in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, you get that side.
How heavy is that engine again?
It's probably 250 pounds. It's not very heavy.
Okay. I'm glad you're using more safety.
Why would I use safety? Don't answer
Eric.
that question. Don't answer that question. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Mm-hmm. Well, looks like you got the engine in. Let's take a look. He has a video that he's going to be posting pretty soon about everything he did during his process of getting the engine put back in. But wait, engine? I can't show you that one. Engine. Ooh, the 911 engine. Another project. How many projects do you think we have in this garage right now? You want to count? Take a screenshot. Anyway, he is always working. But it looks good. Griffin is obsessed with this Miata. He calls it the Minata. That's how Griffin calls it. So let's see what's inside. Doesn't look so bad. Honestly, he's brought home so many cars that, yeah, this isn't terrible. Dreamcatcher. He's got it up on the jack here. Yeah, looks great. Anyway, excited for you to see everything he did putting this back in. And I'll see you on the next video.